Joe Zikas from Yo Chicago. I'm in one of the most stunningly beautiful environments on Chicago's North Shore. Just met up with Daniel Chukasian, who's a vice president of mortgage lending at Pearl Mortgage, and we're going to head inside and talk VA mortgages.
It's going to be a great time together. I specialize in the VA loan, and we do a lot in regard to educating veterans across the country via various media channels to help bring awareness to veterans as to their eligibility with the VA loan and how to take advantage of it. There are really four types of VA loans. The obvious one is the purchase loan. So if you're looking to purchase a property, the VA loan allows you to purchase a property with no down payment. You probably knew that, but that's the loan type number one. The second loan type is if you already have a VA loan, but you got it in the past, and your rate is higher than what the current market rate is, you can do what they call a VA streamlined refinance, where with very minimal underwriting, no appraisal, you're able to drop your rate down to the current market rate. That's a second type, a streamlined VA refinance. The third type is called a VA cash out refinance. The cash out refinance allows you to take cash out at closing above the amount that you owe on your home up to 95% of your home value. It's a very helpful loan because actually no other conventional type loan or even FHA or jumbo allows anyone in this country to do something like that, but the VA loan does. That's the third type. The fourth type is the regular rate and term refinance. And if you have a regular conventional loan with a regular national bank, and it's a conventional loan, you didn't get a VA loan, and your rate is higher, and the bank is telling you, well, you don't have enough equity to refinance with us right now. The VA will allow you to refinance at 100%, meaning if your loan amount is $100,000 and your property appraisal value is $100,000, we can refinance you into a VA loan right now at 3.25%, 30-year fixed. And that's the current rate, and that's something that's very interesting as well about the VA is that typically the rates are a little bit lower than the conventional rates. Also, the lender closing costs are lower as well. And that 3.25 right now, as of, we're here at the end of November in 2012, right now the rates are 3.25% with no lender closing costs. Now, there are costs in association with the VA. So what I mean by that is the funding fee. And if you are doing research online, which you're probably doing if you're watching this video, is there's some confusion surrounding the VA funding fees. Now, the VA funding fee is a cost that you pay not with cash out of your pocket, but it's a cost that you pay by the bank adding that cost on top of your loan when you close. And so it might increase your payment by $20 or $30 a month. If you're regular military, meaning if you're a Marine, if you're in the Army, if you're in the Navy, your funding fee, if you've never used your VA loan before, is 2.15%. That means if you purchase a home for $100,000, they'll take $2,150 and add it on top of your loan amount and give you a loan for $102,150 with an appraisal of $100,000. And that $2,150 goes to the VA, and that funds this program for them to continue offering these no down payment loans for veterans. If you have served in the military and you have your certificate of eligibility, you have access to a loan through the VA loan, whether for a purchase or for a refinance, whether it's a rate and term refinance or cash out, that very few people in America have. Your rate currently would be 3.25% with minimal to no closing costs, and all the other qualification questions. Do you qualify? What's the payment going to be? What is it going to look like? All that can be answered when we talk. Please give me a call. Again, my name is Dan Chukasian. I'm with Pearl Mortgage, and my direct line is 312-376-2215.